Alright, so you may wonder why I keep changing the exhaust on this truck. Well, part of the reason is I just get good ideas and I want to see if they work. As of right now, I'm on a full 3-inch stainless into a very, very, very long flexible stainless line into more stainless and back up over the fender well, not the side. 3-inch exhaust on a Toyota Tacoma with no catalytic converters and one little resonator really is awfully loud. So I think I'm going to actually put a muffler on this thing so you can hear what it sounds like, kind of a before and after, I suppose. Because, gosh dang, I mean, like, seriously, I think I've had like 7 or 8 exhausts on this truck. So, might as well give you a little cold start. Do a little comparison here. Hopefully you can see all right. Yeah, as you can hear, it's a little loud. It's a little drony in the cab too, so hopefully it's going to quiet it down just a little bit. See how she looks when I muffle it. And there we go. That's what you call a lot of muffling. I still think it's funny. Fucking 3-inch stainless exhaust on a V6, man, come on. Here you go, guys. It's done. It's on there. It's a couple weeks later, so I got some shit up on there. But it all turned out pretty dang good. I like to use the flex pipes just to keep some of that expansion and contraction and the flexing of the exhaust tip from rubbing up against the body up there. And if you're interested, this is actually a muffler off of a, I think it was listed as a Yukon or a Denali. It's made for a V8, I know that much. But it is a Quiet Flow by Walker. I think I got it through Summit or Jegs, one of those two. But turned out pretty good, huh?